Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray. According to Tigray sources, is that Tigray Defense Force spokesman Gebre Sadiq has told that they have killed, wounded, and captured more than 15,590 Ethiopian and Amhara forces sent to reverse its gains in the ongoing Operation Sunrise on the Valdia and Debre Tabor fronts. Viewers, from August 19 to 21, on the Debre Tabor front, the Tigray Defense Force have killed more than 6,644 soldiers, wounded 4,924, and captured 174. The Ethiopian National Defense Force 11, 12, 21, 30 and 42 divisions have taken part alongside a brigade from the 51 and some units of the 6 mechanized divisions. In addition, more than 11K Amhara special forces and militias also participated in this three-pronged attack. 4 T-72B1 tanks, 3 D-30 M30 howitzer, 2 Zu-23 numerous DSHK, Bren and AKS, as well as vehicles and 11 heavy machineries were also captured by the Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, on the Valdia front, 3 Republican Guard and Commando brigades, 3 Special Forces units, Ethiopian National Defense Force, 64 infantry divisions, a 23rd Division's battalion and some units of the 6th Mechanized Division tried to involve the Tigray Defense Force unit operation in Mersa by cutting it off at Sirinka. The Ethiopian National Defense Forces were supported by a federal police battalion as well as an Amhara militia regime. In a 5-day counter-offensive, the Tigray Defense Force repelled the attack, killing more than 1,831 soldiers or wounding 2,006. The Tigray Defense Force have captured various armaments or tank. In total, on both fronts, the Tigray Defense Force have killed more than 8,485 combatants, wounded 6,930 and captured 174. They have also captured 5 tanks, 2 D-30 M30 howitzer, 3 Zu-23 to several mortars, DSHK, Bren and AKS, as well as 44 vehicles and heavy machineries. Viewers, on the other side, many Tigrayans detained in Addis Ababa. Concentration camps are selectively transported to Eritrea at the request of President Isaias Afwerki. The exact location and purpose of the decision is unknown. Reliable source from Addis Ababa. And viewers, reports indicate that these 2 campaigns are involved in the Ethiopian federal government war in the north of the country, which the United States now recognize as war of attrition and genocide against ethnic minorities. Among the companies mentioned was the name of Ethiopian Airlines, which was accused of transporting Ethiopian troops and weapons to the battlefield. Among the banks in the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, the largest bank in Ethiopia. The bank has accounts with the Federal Reserve Bank of New York.